Stop thinking planes need wings. Let's talk about the M2F1, NASA's flying bathtub that changed everything. Back in the 1960s, NASA tested the M2F1, a wingless wonder that inspired today's space shuttles. Shaped like a bathtub, this unique design proved that lifting bodies could glide safely back to Earth. It looked weird, but it worked wonders. From quirky beginnings to space-age innovations, the M2F1 showed us that sometimes the wildest ideas fly the highest. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and follow for more interesting aviation, space, and science facts and news.